This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring account parity. Sign into OneDrive with the same Microsoft 365 account used for Sharepoint because mismatched accounts block sync. Next, open the Sharepoint document library. You want to sync and click the Sync button. OneDrive will prompt you. Accept the permission prompts and allow the OneDrive app to open. This creates the initial connection. Once done, OneDrive begins creating a local folder that mirrors the Sharepoint library, so you can work offline immediately. Now focus on configuring the sync so it fits your workflow. Open OneDrive settings and enable files on demand if you want placeholders instead of full local copies, which saves disk space. Then select the folder choices the sync prompt offers so only needed folders download. Make sure bandwidth limits are set if your network is shared, and review excluded file types and file name constraints to avoid sync errors. Once configured, OneDrive will reconcile differences and start downloading or uploading files based on your selections. Finish by verifying the OneDrive status icon shows up to date. Click it to inspect any active transfers or errors. If items show conflicts, resolve them by choosing which version to keep or rename files to remove invalid characters. If sync fails repeatedly, unlink and relink the account or use the Reset OneDrive command to rebuild the sync relationship. One key troubleshooting tip: if many files fail, confirm you're using the same Microsoft 365 account and that your Sharepoint permissions allow edits. That single mismatch causes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.